Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add repeated field in Elementor Pro form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin and we are going to add repeated field. So user can add field according to requirement. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write repeater field for Elementor forms. So we will install this plugin. So this is a plugin we will use. So click on install now. So this plugin allow you to create one or more sets of field that can be repeated. So click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to Elementor form page and refresh the page. Now on screen you see form. So click on it. On left side you see content style advanced. So this is our Elementor Pro form widget, and then you see we have multiple fields, and then you see add item. So click on it, and then you see content type drop down select, and then you see repeater start. So click on it, and then you see required, and then you see title. So remove title. Now duplicate it. Now scroll down. You see item 6, so click on it, and then you see again type repeater start select. Now select repeater end, and then you see button text add more field. So you can add button text according to requirement. So we added repeater start and repeater end. Now we are going to add field between these two. Now click on add item. First move position. Now expand it. Now you see text. Now you can add label according to requirement. Class, if you want you can make it required. Now 50%. Now duplicate it. Again expand it. Now ID. So you can add label and text type according to requirement. Now in drop down you see multiple options. So you can add according to requirement. Now you see item 5. We select repeater start, and then we added our field, class and ID. And then you see item 8 repeater end. So click on update. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So this is our form, and then you see class ID, we added 2 field. Now click on add more field. So you can generate according to requirement. If you want to remove, now click on it like this. So we are going to fill this form. So click on add more field. So we created 4 field set by using add more field. So click on send. Then you see message, your submission was successful. So now go to Gmail to check. Now you see we receive email with form detail, and then you see field set class ID, class ID. Now you see 4 field set. We fill in the form. Now back to Elementor form. So in this way you can create repeated field using plugin in Elementor form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.